Welcome to the Color Encrypter demo. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to transform your text messages into a secure, unique color pattern. Imagine you're sending a message, but instead of just plain text, it turns into an encrypted color pattern. The cool part? Only the recipient with the right decryption key can turn it back into the original message. Let's take a closer look at how this works step by step.
Write your secret message. To begin, go to the Encrypt tab at the top of the page. Here, you'll find a large text box labeled Enter Your Message. This is where you'll type or paste the message you want to encrypt. Make sure your message is clear and concise. Remember, there's a 500-character limit. Double-check it before you proceed, because once it's encrypted, you won't be able to make any changes. The text you type here will be converted into a colorful pattern. Step 2. Once you've written your message, it's time to encrypt it. Simply click the Encrypt Message button below your text. As soon as you click it, the system will begin encrypting your message. So, what's happening is that the system is taking your plain text and turning it into a color pattern. The pattern you see will be different every time because each message is encrypted with its own key. That means no two messages will ever have the same color pattern, even if the text is identical. Step 3. Save your encryption key. This key is essential for decryption. It tells the recipient how to interpret the colors back into the original text. Look for the Download Key File button. Once you click it, the key file.json will be saved to your device. This key is your key to unlocking the message, so be sure to store it in a safe place. Step 4. Share your encrypted pattern. Now that you've encrypted your message and saved your key, it's time to share it. You have two options for sharing: download as image. Click the Download Pattern Image button, and your encrypted message will be saved as a high-quality image. This is perfect for sending over messaging apps or even posting on social media. Copy color codes. If you prefer text, you can copy the color codes as text. Just click the Copy Color Codes button, and the system will give you the exact color codes that make up the pattern. Now, when you send either the image or the color codes, you're keeping the message secure, as only the person with the encryption key will be able to decode it. Decryption Guide. Step 1. Collect requirements. To decrypt a message, you'll need two things from the sender: the encryption key file.json, either the pattern image.png or the color codes. Make sure you have both of these before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Upload the key file. Once you have everything, head over to the Decrypt tab. Here, you'll see an Upload Key button. Click on that, and select the key file that the sender provided. The system will validate the key and make sure it's the correct one. If there's any issue with the key, you'll know right away. Step 3. Input the encrypted pattern. Next, it's time to input the encrypted pattern. There are two ways to do this. Upload the pattern image. If you receive the pattern as an image, click Upload Pattern Image and select the file from your device. The system will read the image and convert it back into the encrypted text. Paste the color codes. If the pattern was shared as color codes, you can paste them into the provided text area. Step 4. Decrypt the message. Once the key and pattern are uploaded, click the Decrypt Message button. The system will begin the decryption process, where it verifies the pattern's integrity and applies the key to turn the colors back into your original message. In just a few seconds, the encrypted colors will change back to text, and you'll see the original message that the sender wrote.
And that's it. You've successfully encrypted and decrypted a message using Color Encrypter. By following these steps, you can keep your messages private and secure, turning them into unique color patterns that only the right recipient can decode.